Adventure is my obsession. Either I'm on one, or I'm planning my next. That's why everything in my life has to revolve around it. Everything has to back me up and help me do what I love to do. Because the easier it is, the more I'll get out there. The more I'll enjoy it. When I have exactly what I need, when I need it, I can go bigger. I can go farther. With confidence. So that even when it seems things might not go my way, I can keep going, keep exploring, and make it back home so I can start over from the beginning and chase the next adventure.